Direct message option not showing on TikTok app. Hello guys, on this new tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. So all what you want to do is open these settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, open the apps like this, and then you have to go to the search bar here and search for TikTok like this. Now click here on this force stop. After you click on it, click here on the permissions, make sure that all the permissions are enabled. Go back again, click on the power usage details, and make sure to enable this power consumption alert like this. Go back, and now you have to open the Play Store, search for TikTok, and then click on update. And you can do the same thing on the iPhone iOS. After that, restart your phone, reopen TikTok, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the end.